Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows could not find a driver for your network adapter in Windows 10, 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Troubleshoot, click Run Troubleshooter under Internet Connections. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update network adapter from automatically and from my computer. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall network adapter and restart system. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Network Reset. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.